Hey, this is Stephanie and I'm with MCM Companies.
Today we're watching a modular home being set, but before we jump into the fun stuff, let's go over some important steps taken before set day. Before we order a home, we implement a design process that addresses both the interior and exterior of the home and site. Our engineers and architects create renderings or virtual walkthroughs to show the customer what their home will look like based on their individual tastes and selections. Once the home design is complete, the order is sent to the manufacturer. System-built homes have a shorter construction time and are eco-friendly due to the efficient material used and reduced waste. While the home is built in the factory, we obtain permits and prep the site for utilities and the foundation, which takes about 60 to 90 days. After permitting, we start prepping the site. This includes staking out the area, starting excavation, pouring the foundation, and installing utilities. Now we're here on set day. It's common to use a crane for this, but sometimes we use roll set if there's limited access or utility lines in the way. First, the crane has to be set and secured. You'll see they use railroad ties on the ground and the outriggers come out to stabilize the crane, elevating it slightly so the tires don't touch the ground. As this happens, the crew preps the first half of the home by raising the roofline and hooking the straps to the crane. This home will have a basement, so it's not being set directly on the ground. Once the first half is set, the crew works in the basement to ensure the supporting beams will hold the weight of the home. Then we move and adjust the crane to hook up the second half of the home. Again, we use the crane to move it to its permanent location. The crew then ensures the home is exactly where it's supposed to be and marry the two halves at the roofline and sides. Once the home is set, we can go ahead and build some additional items. In this case, the customer wants a garage and a back deck. And that's a brief overview of the custom home process with MCM. We'll be back to talk with the owner and see the finished home. Thanks for watching.